aluminum U-groove glass railing. A common type of railing used around the world is aluminum U-shaped channel steel glass railings. Its lightweight, corrosion-resistant, easy installation, and easy maintenance are just a few of its many unique features. At Xingqiu, quality and beauty are above all else. Used to form a glass guardrail on a balcony or other places where glass railings may be needed. LED tape placed inside the bracket has an impressive effect, allowing light to pass through the glass and disperse at its edges, while maintaining its transparency on the surface.